Good morning, sir, madam. My name is Prithvi Raj and I am from Delhi. I have recently completed my diploma in mechanical engineering from GIFT Autonomous. During my diploma, I gained knowledge in manufacturing processes, design, thermodynamics, and CAD tools such as AutoCAD or SolidWorks. I also worked on a project titled Designing of Automobile Structure, example, design and fabrication, which enhanced my practical understanding of mechanical systems and teamwork skills. Apart from academics, I have done internship at Tata Motor where I learned about industrial practices, machine handling, or maintenance procedures. I am passionate about applying my technical knowledge to real-world challenges, continuously upgrading my skills, and contributing effectively to the growth of the organization. My hobbies are reading technical magazines or books, playing cricket social activities. Thank you for the opportunity to introduce myself.